Welcome back to Sharmilan Chess. In today's video, we're going to break down one of the sneakiest tricks in the English opening, deadly English opening trap, Gruenfeld Diagonal Trap, explained move by move. I'll explain every single move, step by step, so you'll understand not just what happens, but why it works. Stick around until the end, because the way Black punishes White's mistake is pure brilliance. First move White plays c4 then. Black replies with knight f6. White begins with the English opening, controlling the center indirectly. Black replies with a flexible knight move, aiming for central squares. Second move White plays knight c3, then Black replies with d5. White develops a knight to support the center, while Black immediately strikes with d5, challenging White's setup. Third move White plays c takes d5, then Black replies knight takes d5. White captures, and Black recaptures with a knight, keeping pressure in the middle. Fourth move White plays g3, then Black replies with g6. White goes for the fianchetto, planning to develop the bishop on g2. Black mirrors with g6, entering Gruenfeld territory. Fifth move White plays bishop g2, then Black replies with knight takes c3. White fianchettos, but here Black takes on c3, creating doubled pawns for White. Sixth move White plays b takes c3, then Black replies with bishop g7. White accepts doubled pawns, but opens the b-file. Black develops the bishop to a strong diagonal, targeting the center. Seventh move White plays rook b1, then Black replies with short castling. White puts the rook on the b-file, pressuring Black's b7 pawn. Black calmly castles into safety. Eighth move White plays bishop takes b7. Here's the blunder. White greedily takes the pawn on b7, but this opens the door for Black's trap. Eighth move Black replies with bishop takes b7. Black recaptures naturally. White thinks it's just an exchange, but danger is coming. Ninth move White plays rook takes b7 then. Black replies with queen d5. This is the key move. The queen jumps to d5 with tempo. Suddenly, White's rook on b7 is trapped along the diagonal. 10th move White plays rook takes b8. Then Black replies with rook f takes b8. White tries to escape by trading, but Black's rook comes to b8. Now Black controls the open file. 11th move White plays knight f3. Then Black replies with queen takes a2. White develops, but Black grabs the pawn on a2. Not only is Black ahead in material, but White's position is falling apart. 12th move White plays short castling. White castles to safety, but the damage is already done. Black is clearly winning here. And that's the Gruenfeld Diagonal Trap in the English opening. White thought they were winning material, but instead fell victim to Black's sneaky queen move on d5. This is why you should never greedily grab pawns without checking your opponent's counterplay. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deadly opening traps and master-level chess explanations. See you in the next video. Thank you. God bless everyone.